thenerdso.com free computer help desk. Dun dun.
Today I'm going to fix this giant paper eating monstrosity here. The paper feed is stuck. It does not feed paper. I think it's because this paper feeder is jammed. So I'm going to have to take it apart to get at it, the mechanism. I need a longer screwdriver than this one though to get that screw out. It appears my tool just isn't long enough, so I'm going to have to go get an enlargement. Great day for a bike ride. I don't like this intersection though, because I either have to hit the walk signal or wait for a car to pull up to change the light, because it won't change for a bicycle. That's where I'm going. They've got the tools I need, I bet. Well, this looks like the right tool for the job. And at only $4.97, it's not a bad deal either. First we take these side covers off. And once the side covers are off, you can remove the top. And that just pops right off. Now, the rest of it almost wants to come apart. There's something holding it. Well, after disconnecting these ribbons here from their connections in the front, this whole top wants to come right off, and that just slides out the front. There's some clips down there you can see how that would just slide right out. I've got the top off. This opens up. Underneath here, right there and there, are 4 more screws we've got to take out. And then this whole top might come off. This whole top lifts right off. Getting closer. You can almost see the damaged mechanism there. Need to gain access to that and find out what's keeping it. Well, after some fiddling, it looks like this there's a little mechanism right in there that guides this plate up and down, and that's what came off right there. It's hard to see, but I got this out of there by prying on it this way, and getting that out of there like so. This comes right out. There's a spring on it, and see that round little cam there? That fits into here on the side, and that makes this tray go up and down here. And this was stuck in the down position, so it wouldn't feed paper. To get this thing to feed paper, it's got to come in contact with this roller right here, and that's what that cam is for. That turns in synchrony with this. These gear teeth might be stripped out a little bit down here, but it seems to be working now, so we're going to hook this back up and plug it in and test it.
speed this part up a little.
Okay, it works. To get this to feed paper, you just have to turn it on.